Hey Aquanuts, today I'm going to give you a few simple things that you can do to grow your swimming pool and spa service company. It's real simple. Number one, you're going to want to show up. That's right. Seems stupid, right? Most of your competition is just not going to show up. When you tell a customer that you're going to be at their house at a certain time, be there. That's simple. Number two, when you show up, do what you say you're going to do. These seem like common sense things to the average person, but they are so uncommon in the service industry. Not just the pool and spa industry, but electricians, HVACs, plumbers, they won't even show up. And when they do a half-assed job. Don't be that guy or gal. After you get done doing an amazing job, which you should be doing, then with a happy customer that is talking to a person, you that has shown up unlike your competition and has shown out unlike the competition, you are going to want to ask them for a referral. It's simple. You simply ask them for some help. You have helped them. Now it's their time to help you. And if you've done your job well, they're going to want to help you. You just solved a pain point in their life. Whatever that was. Maybe it was a pool pump that was screeching so loud that it was keeping them up at night. Or maybe it was a clogged filter that just wasn't working like it should. Or a green pool. That has been a very common thing. And in the past, when I have done those three things, as well as some others, but those three things are so key, I gained ambassadors for my company. People that was championing me in their HOAs, that was telling other people in their neighborhood about how good of a job that I did, and I got more customers because of it. And so will you. My name is Derrick. This is Aquanut Academy, where I teach you about swimming pools and about the service business and how to grow your business. If you like this content, please hit the subscribe button for more. I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks. Have a good day.